Let's be real. Spending hours crafting the perfect lead list in LinkedIn Sales Navigator can feel like a total win until you realize the following. LinkedIn doesn't give you verified emails, phone numbers, or any simple way to export your leads. And let's be honest, manually copying every contact, that's a one-way ticket to burnout. Hey everyone, my name is Cole, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn your LinkedIn Sales Navigator searches into a clean, organized, and fully verified lead list using the Prospeo Chrome extension. Ready to stop wasting time and start booking more meetings? Let's dive in. First things first, let's get Prospeo set up. Head over to prospeo.io and sign up for a free account. It only takes a minute. Once you're in, open the Chrome web store and search for the Prospeo Email Finder Chrome extension. Simply click Add to Chrome and let the installation begin. Now, head back into Sales Navigator and refresh your page. If you see a new button in the top right corner labeled Export with Prospeo, you're good to go. Now that Prospeo is ready, let's build a search worth exporting. Let's say you're targeting marketing directors at mid-sized companies in the United States. Start by applying filters for job title, company size, industry, location, you name it. Just try to narrow down your search. Now, here's a catch. LinkedIn limits search results to 2,500 leads per search. Anything beyond that, you can't access it. To work around this, split your search into smaller, more targeted chunks. For example, start by targeting companies with 51 to 200 employees, then run another search for 201 to 500 employees. You can also segment by seniority, starting with directors, then moving on to VPs and C-level executives. Once your search is refined to under 2,500 leads, click on the Export with Prospeo button. This will take you to our next step where you arrive at the Prospeo dashboard. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the Prospeo dashboard, you'll see the total number of leads and the source of your data. Give your lead list a clear descriptive name. Let's call this one US Marketing Directors, February 2025. Once you've renamed your list, toggle on the Skip Leads button to avoid duplicate leads in future searches, and once you're ready, click Export. Prospeo will then get to work pulling all the essential data from your lead list. This includes things like names, job titles, company details, verified emails, and if you want, even mobile numbers. Alright, once the export is finished, you'll find yourself back at the download screen where you can review all of the details from your lead list. The first thing you'll probably see is a breakdown of your email quality. This is how many are valid, risky, or not found. You'll also see how many valid mobile numbers Prospeo was able to pull. If any duplicates were skipped, that info will be shown as well. From here, you have a couple of options. You can either choose to reopen the original Sales Navigator search, enrich the mobile numbers, or go ahead and download your data. For this example, let's keep things simple and click Download CSV to continue. Now, before downloading, make sure you customize your file by choosing between CSV or Excel format. You can then decide whether to include only valid emails, a mix of valid and risky emails, or the full list. Not only that, but you can also toggle whether to keep or remove line breaks and cells for a cleaner file. Now, once it's complete, click download, and just like that, you've got a fully organized prospecting file with verified emails, mobile numbers, and everything you need for personalized outreach. Want to take it to the next level? Here's how. Set up safe searches in Sales Navigator to automatically track new leads. Pair that with Prospeo, and you've got a fully automated lead generation system feeding fresh, verified leads into your pipeline every single week. So there you have it. You can now export your entire LinkedIn Sales Navigator search results with just one click using Prospeo. No more limits, no more manually copy pasting, just clean, verified data ready to power your outreach. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable sales tips. As always, thanks for watching, happy prospecting, and I'll see you in the next video.